friends! The St. Mark Clothing Giveaway is approaching quickly. This annual event, held at our Green Bay campus, draws hundreds of people every year. Last year alone, over 700 people visited St. Mark looking for clothing. Everything is free, and there are no limits to the amount they can take. It has been a blessing to so many in our area. In order to make this event a success, we need your help. First, we need you to clean out your closets and drawers. We accept clothing of all sizes from newborn to adult. While we take anything you can wear, our biggest request from our visitors is children's clothing. So, once you've finished in your closets, don't forget to head down the hall and purge your kids' clothing that they've outgrown. Mark your calendars as we will be accepting donations July 28th and 29th from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. at our Green Bay campus. Second, we need you, literally. We need volunteers to set up and take down the event, sort and organize donations, and most importantly, to make connections with our shoppers. This event is a great opportunity to serve others in our community by being the hands and feet of Jesus. For more information on how to help, visit stmarkministries.com/events.